Welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. This is IGKO paper for class 6 for the year 2017 set A. So you can see what type of questions are asked in GK Olympiad in this video. Question is general awareness. Question 1. Through which of the following Indian states Tropic of Cancer does not pass? Through which Indian states Tropic of Cancer does not pass? A. Mizoram, B. Rajasthan, C. Gujarat, D. Manipur. Question 2. Which of the following statements is incorrect? A. Radish, turnip and carrot are modifications of taproot. B. Gram has tap roots while barley has fibrous roots. C. Taproots cannot provide strong anchorage while fibrous roots penetrate deep into the soil, hence provide strong anchorage. D. Primary root is persistent in taproots while it is short-lived in fibrous root. Choose the incorrect statement. Question 3. Which is the first biosphere reserve in India? First biosphere reserve in India. A. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. B. Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. C. Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. D. Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. Fourth, which of the following represents an incorrect match? A. Marsupials are kangaroos, opossums, koalas. C. Ungulates are pigs, giraffes, camels. C. Rodentia, hamster, beaver, rat. D. None of these. Now marsupials are a mammal of an order whose members are born incompletely developed and are typically carried and suckled in a pouch on the mother's belly. And ungulates are hoofed mammal. Hoof, you can see the picture of hoof. C. Rodentia. Rodentia, the rodents, the largest order of placental mammals, all possessing one pair of chise-like upper incisors for gnawing and flat crown premolars and molars for grinding. So, choose the correct option. Which of the following are the four major coral reef regions of India meant for intensive conservation and management? First, Gulf of Mannar. Second, Lakshadweep Island. Third, Gulf of Kutch. Fourth, Gulf of Khambat. Fifth, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 is a versatile compound. Which of the following is an example of chemical properties of baking soda? A. Bubbles up when mixed with vinegar. B. Allows dough to rise while baking. C. Neutralizes odors. D. All of these. Choose the chemical properties of baking soda. What is the other name of the galaxy Andromeda? Other name of the galaxy Andromeda: A. IC 1101, B. NGC 224, C. NGC 262, D. None of these. 8th. Cities which are not situated on the banks of river Ganges are A. Bhagalpur, Kanpur and Patna. B. Ayodhya, Kolkata and Ahmedabad. C. Varanasi, Rishikesh and Kannauj. D. Haridwar, Allahabad and Mirzapur. 9th. Stars are enormous spheres of ignited gas that light the cosmos. They come in many different types and sizes. Which among the following is not a known type of star? A. White dwarf. B. Red giant. C. Green dwarf. D. Red dwarf. Question 10th. Some plants have medicinal values that can cure ailments. Reshuffle the letters to get the name of plant and select the incorrect match from the following. Now, first reshuffle the letters to get the name of plants in option A, B, C, D, and then select the incorrect match. Approximate distance between Proxima Centauri and our solar system is. Now you can see what a Proxima Centauri. I have given the definition. So you have to choose the distance between Proxima Centauri and solar system. 12th, cultivation of trees, shrubs and others woody plants is known as A. Alchemy, D. Hydroponics, B. Arboriculture, D. Etiology. 13th, which of the following does not represent correct match? A. Flood prone area, North Bihar plains. D. Drought prone area, Kalhandi, Odisha. C. Seismic zone, Himalayan region. D. Landslide zone, Chota Nagpur plateau. Now choose incorrect, not choose the option which does not represent correct match. 14th, Minmata disease is a severe disorder of nervous system. Which heavy metal acts as a pollutant and causes this disease? A. Cadmium, B. Chromium, C. Mercury, D. Nickel. 15. Choose the incorrect statement. A. Matutinal organisms wake up before diurnal organisms. B. Diurnal animals are active during dawn only. C. Crepuscular animals are active during twilight. D. Vespertine organisms get active before nocturnal animals. The first woman president of Indian National Congress was A. Clara Barton, B. Annie Besant, C. Elizabeth Blackwell, D. Pearl S. Buck. 17th. Altruism is A. When we help someone who can favor us in future. B. When we act to promote someone else's welfare selflessly. C. When we help someone who has helped us in past. D. None of these. Question 18. Ikebana is Japanese art of A. Papercraft, B. Dress designing, C. Tree farming, D. Flower arrangement. 19th. Arya Samaj was against the idol worship and authority of the Brahmins. Who among the following social reformer founded it? Who founded Arya Samaj? A. Swami Vivekanand, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. 20. What does the idiom hair's breadth mean? A. Just managed to escape from a danger. B. People are reluctant to change. C. To watch without full attention. D. To pay too much attention to differences that are very small. Mallika Sarabhai first came to international notice when she played the role of Draupadi in Peter Brook's The Mahabharata for 5 years. She is one of India's leading choreographers and dancers and has been the co-director of Darpan Academy of Performing Arts for nearly 30 years. Which of the following dance forms is Mallika Sarabhai associated with? A. Bharatnatyam, B. Kathak, C. Kuchipudi, D. Both A and C. It is a type of beautiful metal embroidery once used to embellish the attire of the kings and the royals in India. Its work involves making elaborate design using gold and silver thread. Initially, it was done with pure silver wires and real gold leaves. Which type of embroidery is being talked about? A. Fulkari, B. Meenakari, C. Jardoji, D. Toda. 23rd. Which of the following is not a novel by novelist Salman Rushdie? A. Grimace. B. Shalimar the Clone. C. Furry. The Sialkot Saga. Sialkot Saga. Which of the following represents the correct decreasing order of radii of the given balls? Correct decreasing order of radii of the given balls. First ball is tennis ball, second is squash ball, third is golf ball, and fourth is cricket ball. 25th. In a line of boys, Rohit is 8th from the right and Nitin is 12th from the left. When Rohit and Nitin interchange their positions, Nitin becomes 21st from the left. What will be the new position of Rohit from the right? A. 6th, B. 9th, C. 17th, D. 21st. Check answers of all questions here. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments what type of video you want to see.